Hi all my lovely foodies, this is CiCi. Today we're going to make a really popular Chinese American dish, Chop Suey. In Chinese, we call it Za Sui. The funny thing is, it doesn't have a definite recipe. That's because it's a fridge clean out dish. So the good news is, you can use anything that you have in your kitchen right now. First, we're gonna cut the chicken into slices. In a large bowl, transfer in the chicken and the marinades, soy sauce, white pepper, egg white, cornstarch slurry, which is 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water, and give it a good mix. Marinate for 10 minutes. Thinly slice the carrot. Cut the asparagus into 1.5-inch pieces. Cut the bell pepper into strips. Take out the tip and string of snow peas. Slice the shiitake mushrooms into slices. Mince the garlic. And to make the sauce in a bowl, we're going to mix in all the seasonings. Soy sauce, oyster sauce, Shaoxing wine, white pepper, sesame oil, cornstarch slurry, which is 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of water. In a wok over high heat, heat it up until smoking hot. Add the extra light olive oil. Transfer in the chicken and let it sizzle for about 30 seconds. Then stir fry until completely cooked, 3 minutes. Take it out and set aside. In a wok over high heat, add the extra light olive oil and place in the carrot, asparagus, bell pepper, and stir fry for about 30 seconds. Then we're also going to add in the snow peas, mushrooms, and garlic. Cook until aromatic, 30 seconds. Now we're going to return the chicken. Also add in the bean sprouts and the sauce. And mix everything together. Can I just say, wow. Why didn't I think about this before? It's absolutely delicious. And the best part is that you don't have to think about a recipe. It's so convenient. You can use anything that you have in your fridge. It's so refreshing with other vegetables. Oh, delicious. I can taste the charred taste of the wok, like in Chinese we call it guoqi. So what do you think about this recipe? Is it a yay or is it a maybe not? Comment below and let me know your opinion, and I will see you again next Friday for another awesome episode. Bye for now.